Maintenance in theory is all well and good, but it's in real life where it counts. So in this video, based on my many years of working with organizations all around the world, I've created a scenario where a manufacturing plant leverages the power of the PF interval, which I've spoken about a few times in the last few videos, to overcome maintenance challenges and achieve remarkable results. Of course, it's based on hypothetical scenario because organizations' information is confidential, but it is based on real results. Step 1, identifying the challenge. Imagine a manufacturing plant is producing critical components for the automotive industry. Despite implementing a really rigorous planning and scheduling regime, the plant still faced frequent breakdowns. And it was usually in key and critical components and machinery, which led to costly downtime and production losses. So step 2, once they've identified which parts that they wanted to analyze, they wanted to find a solution, which led them to learning about the PF interval in more detail and its potential to identify potential failures before the functional failure occurs. So they decided to implement a comprehensive vibration analysis program into their system, which monitored the critical equipment to detect early signs of deterioration. 3, strategically placed vibration sensors around the plant were installed. Obviously only on the critical components because it's too costly for non-critical components. So it allowed the team to continuously monitor vibration levels, analyze the data for any deviations from normal operating conditions. They then used trained analysts to study the vibration patterns, looking for indications of potential failures within this PF interval. Step 4, using this monitoring and analysis program, the team successfully identified potential issues such as bearing defects, gear mesh problems, and misalignments, which were pretty common, well before they could lead to these functional failures. Armed with this really valuable information and timely maintenance interventions, they could then schedule the maintenance before any issues were catastrophic. 5, what were some of the results? Well, typically what you could look to achieve using some of this PF interval information and concepts is reduce unplanned downtime, maybe in the region of 25% to minimize production losses. Increased equipment availability, 10 to 15%, which could improve your productivity. Or you're going to extend the component lifespan, 15, 20% plus, which reduces replacement costs because your equipment lasts longer. So this is an indicative example, shows how embracing this PF interval concept, along with the right condition monitoring techniques and good planning and scheduling, can empower your organization to proactively address failures, breakdowns before they occur. Of course, this minimizes disruption and optimizes your strategy for higher reliability, availability, and safety. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about maintenance related concepts, please subscribe to our channel, and I'd love it if you could like any videos that you do like, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.